Hi guys, in the given question, ABCD is a square of side 14 centimeters with centers A, B, C and D. 4 circles are drawn such that each circle touch externally 2 of the remaining 3 circles. We have to find the area of the shaded region. So you can look at this figure over here. We are supposed to calculate this area, the shaded area. Now how we can find this shaded area? Since ABCD is a square, so all these angles are going to be 90 degrees each. This angle is going to be 90 degrees, 90 degrees, 90 degrees and 90 degrees. Now, let's say these midpoints, the midpoints of these square, of the sides of this square, let's call these P, Q, R and S. So, you will see, if we talk about the length, since AD, the edge length of the square that's given to us is AD, that's equal to 14 centimeters. So AP, that would be equal to 14 by 2, 7 centimeters. Similarly, PD, that would be equal to 7 centimeters as well. So 7. And the purpose of finding these two lengths, AP and PD, you will see that the radius of the circle, that's going to be 7 centimeters as well, because AP and PD both are the radius of the circle. So radius for each of the circle, that's going to be 7 centimeters. 7, 7, 7, 7 and 7. The radius for each of the circle, that's equal to 7 centimeters. Now let's come to a shaded area over here. What would be the area of shaded region? So if you look at this figure, the area of shaded region that I can write is, that would be equal to area of the square ABCD minus the area of quadrant with center A and B and C and D. Yes, that's correct. If we have to find the area of this shaded region, so what we can do, from this square, this large square ABCD, we can just subtract the area of these 4 quadrants over here. Now for each of these quadrants, the radius is equal to 7 centimeters. So very easily we can find this area of the square ABCD, that would be equal to 14 square. Edge length of the square, that's equal to 14 centimeters minus area of these 4 quadrants. So area of, we have 4 quadrants over here, so 4 into area of one quadrant, that's equal to pi r square by 4. This 4 and 4 would cancel out, so it would be equal to 14 square, which is the area of this square, minus pi r square. Basically, these 4 regions over here, they are forming a circle. We have 4 quadrants, and if you join these 4 quadrants, so you will see a circle would be formed. The total area of these 4 quadrants would be equal to the area of a circle. Now radius for them, that's equal to 7 centimeters, so it would be equal to the area of the shaded region, that would be equal to 14 square 196 minus pi r square, so 22 by 7 into 7 square, so that would be equal to 196 minus, if you calculate this, it would be 154. So the area of the shaded region, that's equal to 42 centimeters square. Yes, that's correct. The area of this shaded region, that's equal to 42 centimeters square. It's basically nothing but area of the square minus the area of a circle with radius 7 centimeters.